Every day, 200 wooden crates leave our customer's facility in the ceramic district of Sassuolo in Italy. Inside, large, delicate, and high-value ceramic slabs. Damages are not an option. That's why they chose AUTO.PROTECT with FOAMplus, an automated packaging solution that provides maximum protection with minimal effort. AUTO.PROTECT detects voids and automatically fills them with FOAMplus pads. FOAMplus protects the goods against possible transit damage due to impact shock and vibration. Made from expanded polyurethane, the high-quality packaging foam is resistant, robust, and lightweight. Here's how it works. The robot scans the shipping crate and determines the exact number, size, and placement of foam cushions needed. The FOAMplus system then produces high-performance foam cushions. The robot picks them up and places them precisely where needed. Each cushion adapts perfectly to the shape of the product. The solution is designed to protect heavy, high-value slabs like ceramic tiles, glass panels, wooden boards, and furniture. The system significantly reduces the risk of product damage, which means fewer costly returns and higher customer satisfaction. This automation also increases efficiency and reduces labor costs. Another key advantage is that FOAMplus expands on-site, eliminating the need for storage. This optimizes warehouse space and simplifies logistics. With AUTO.PROTECT and FOAMplus, our customer has higher protection at a lower cost.